Hey there boys and girls, my name is OTHMARIUS and this is a fast-paced tutorial on the overhand shuffle, highlighting the keynotes of the move. Let's roll!
OTHMARIUS Magic.
Like and subscribe. Hold the cards in your dominant hand, clipped between middle finger and thumb, with the ring finger and the pinky supporting this grip. The index rests on the upper long side of the deck. Hold the cards in about a 45 degrees angle horizontal to the floor. Now, shuffling the cards, the right hand is doing most of the work, moving up and down. To run single cards, press the tip of the thumb slightly against the back of the cards. In order to shuffle multiple cards, position your thumb at the edge of the upper long side, and there you go, shuffling packs or stocks. Main objective here is to be absolute in control, being able to switch from running cards to shuffling packs or stocks with a blink of an eye. And that's it for the overhand shuffle in a nutshell. Now, if you guys want to dive deeper into this move, I've got an in-depth tutorial up and running on my channel. And also, I want to invite you to our weekly live card magic practice jam sessions. Just get yourself a Dover paperback version of the Royal Road to Card Magic, and maybe you lay your hands on a brick of these beauties. Affiliated links in the info box. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is OTHMARIUS and this is just what I do. Talk to you soon, and in the meantime, rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.